I don't know if I can go in here. It's like a little secret room. But okay, I have to go in no matter if they stop me. Look at this gold-plated mini Lady Dior. Let's start the day with a quick little morning stroll in Greenwich. And this is such a beautiful area. And look at the weather! It's amazing, sunshine and everything. Everybody's had their iced coffee. My mom is taking pictures as well. Hello. Hello everyone. Hi. What a beautiful day, right?
Yes.
Did you like your iced coffee?
Yes.
I mean, take in this beauty. I love this area. There. Now you can see it properly. Let me zoom in a little bit. And there's my mom and there's my dad. And some morning golf. With some cheese fries, yummy, and some sweet potato fries. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yes, we are here with my parents today. Hi!
Hello.
So, my dad, actually for his birthday, he's like the biggest Formula 1 fan, right?
Yes.
And he's never seen a race in person. So my husband and I, we thought we're gonna give that as his little birthday present, right? As a little surprise. And so we're gonna see the race, but also what do we do today? My mom is still looking for a travel bag, right?
Yes.
And which one did you like?
The Louis Vuitton.
The Louis Vuitton on the go.
In black.
In black. But maybe she needs to look at a different versions as well. But yeah guys, so we're gonna go have a look at bags now and go to the Formula 1 race, and I don't know what else we do. We see? Quick little stop at the Natural History Museum. Gucci mama. Yeah. You a fan of Gucci bags? Look at these new little mini Maman bags with the same color hardware. I prefer gold or silver. Anything at Gucci that catches your eye? I mean, I've been saying it for a while. It's, I don't know, it's gotten a little bit boring, hasn't it? Gucci and Adidas collaboration. I'm not a fan. Do you like it?
I don't know.
Oh, but look at this, some exotics. It looks quite dark in here, I don't know why. We've seen these in Dubai. Yeah. Little crocodile vintage Gucci bag. Well, the style is vintage, obviously. They already had these bags, I think, in the 1950s. A little bit more of some classic pieces. I think I would rather go for something like this. One of my friends actually wanted to buy that bag in this size. I think this I prefer even. It's a nice, can you see? It's a nice size. Guys, is rather for me their new, oh god, I forgot the name of the model now. I've asked for it in France. Right now I can't remember it. Blondie, it's called Blondie. Yeah, that's the new Blondie bag. I like them, however I was a little bit scared because the display models they had in Paris, they were all so scratched up already, so I don't know how quickly, you know, the hardware is gonna scratch, but love Parade, love the Blondie bag. Gucci's new Blondie bag, do you like it? Yes, yeah, nice, right? They opened up a new Dior section, so there was a lot of construction work going on here recently. But wow, look at this, it's like in the museums. Oh, I love this. They had a Victoria and Albert exhibition once, where you could see all these pieces. And they just moved it to Harrods. How amazing and exciting is that? Okay, somebody's just coming. Wow. Mama. They had this like exhibition at the Victoria and Albert Museum, and it seems like now they moved it to Harrods. That's exciting. And guys, look at the colors. Yeah. Oh, teeny tiny little saddlebag. Yeah. Really nice colors, guys. Obviously this is very me. One of the little micro Lady Diors. Hey. Exciting, exciting. Now I know why they needed so much time. Because like Dior never really had a space on the ground floor of Harrods. And I was always wondering why. Now I know. Because they were working on it. And all the red pieces. Wow. Okay, I am loving it. If you are in Harrods, definitely come and check this out. I don't have enough time to show you every little bit now, obviously, but it's definitely worth coming and having a look at this. I mean, wow. Wow, 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 wow. A little white bag, white 30 Montaigne. Yeah, so it's very sporty. I think I said it before, it's not really my style. Do you like it? No. Very bright colors. Look at this ombre bag. I think I've seen this in Paris before as well. It screams summer, doesn't it? A bit more edgy, some wild bags. Do you like the leopard print? No? Nope, my mom says no. I like leopard print a lot, especially my little Lanvin cat bag. Look at this edgy saddle bag. Oh my god, guys. I don't know if I can go in here. It's like a little secret room. But okay, I have to go in, no matter if they stop me. Look at this gold-plated mini Lady Dior. Wow. And I need another close-up of this, because it is too stunning. Wow, and it's exclusive. Stunning. Let's have a look at the other exotic bags. So beautiful. Oh wow, some of the fine jewelry as well. Oh, I love it. There we have some more Lady Dior's. Python, ostrich. Oh, even an ostrich Dior book tote. I didn't know they made them in exotic leathers. Some blingy East-West Lady Dior's. And look at this tiny micro Lady Dior with all the crystals and pearls. It's a new style as well. I have not seen this before. Okay, so let's see what kind of Kellys and Birkins they have on display now. Wow, Crocodile Lindy. There were a little yellow ostrich Birkin and a taupe one, maybe. Some Constance bags. It's very yellow and beige. Oh wow! I even have a hair bag with gold hardware. Yeah, I start to like it a little bit more. My mom likes that one. Yeah, would you wear a yellow bag?
Yes.
Yeah, nice. Bottega pouches. I don't know if they have the purplish blue one yet. I think I'm gonna ask. Some chain pouches. And look at this, some alligator pouches. They are like £24,000. But how stunning are the alligator pouches. Really changes color. Yeah, so that's the same material that the pouch would come in as well. It's a really nice color, right? And then imagine this in the pouch. When are you receiving them again? Can I have a look?
Sometime this week.
Okay, so I'll just drop in and see. Okay, that's amazing. It really looks different in any kind of light.
In some lights it looks really purpley.
Yeah.
Blue. Others it's kind of like a grape
Yeah.
color and then green.
Can't wait to see the pouch. Oh, look at these mini Fendi Peekaboo ICU. Izu? I never know. I think it's ICU. How cute are they? With the little metal handles. Mama, too small for you? Right? You would never wear a bag like mine. No. More Fendi eye candy. And look at this. Beautiful Python Fendi Peekaboo. Oh, that looks like the leather my Bottega Veneta pouch is made of. And a little bling cup. Now we're gonna go to Louis Vuitton and have a look if they have her on the go. Because my mom still doesn't know if she wants the MM, the GM. Very colorful, guys. And there's a little Stardust bag. That color is really nice. I think they vary quite a lot, each individual item. So this is the MM size. That's the smaller model.
Too small.
It's too small for you. Okay. I think a new model. That they recently brought out. By the way, guys, this mirror is just here, so I thought I'd give you an outfit of the day. This is obviously one of my favorite. Is it zoomed in? No. One of my favorite Karen Millen dresses, and I got it in pink as well. And also I got my Never for today with my little cat sticker. Because if you run around London all day, there's nothing better than Never. And those puffy bags. Nope. I don't like them too much. Wow, what a vibrant color. This is the Capucine BB. I've never seen it just with a python flap. Usually they come with a python handle as well. That's a cute little bag. I like it. Chanel Metiers bags. And you prefer yours?
This one.
Yeah, that's your favorite. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I cannot believe this. I was just walking past Balmain and look what I saw. This bag. It's all good and fine. But they copied the strap one to one from Chanel. What was it called? The Funky Town or Uptown? Funky Town? I don't know. The little flap bag they just brought out like 2 seasons ago with a thick chain. Balmain, that is a one-on-one copy. Okay, so he's just getting the on the go for my mom, right? So let's have a quick look at what they have upstairs. I think I definitely want a mini Capucines. Now I have my MM. I think a mini would be a good addition. I love my MM. Do you like my MM Capucine with the tortoiseshell handle?
It's wonderful bag.
Yeah. Here we have the vibrant bag again. And some reverse monogram pieces. And oh, mama, there it is. Okay, so we have the on the go. Guys, always a good tip if you are in Harrods, you have to queue and wait for really, really long times to be served downstairs. Oh, and this is the bag with the black flap. But if you come up here, no, that's black, mom. If you come up here, then yeah, no, they're both black, mom. It's the same. It's the light.
It's a light.
Yes, but if you come up here, guys, you immediately getting served basically, and they're really, really nice and lovely up here. Oh, look at all these trunks. They have a teeny tiny little trunk. Oh, a trunk in a trunk. My mom likes this one, I think. This is not green. This is black. You like it better?
Yes.
And she said it's like so fluffy here on the side. Wait, let me show you. Can we see that? It feels really nice. Show me here. That's the medium. Yeah, now we're gonna see the large one on you as well, and then we can see what's better. If you want to use it for travel, you know, large one might be better, but the proportions of this one just look good on you. I think it's huge. It's a little bit overwhelming on you, but I mean, if you just want to use it for travel, not the tallest. Turn around, mama. Yeah, I mean, proportion-wise, this looks better, but I mean, if you want to use it for travel, it's difficult. Which one do you like more? This is a travel bag, it is. Yeah, and the other one just looks nicer. You can also just hold it on the top handle. Yeah, the question is, would you want to wear it every day as well, or just for travel? If you want every day, then the other one. You like the orange? Is it microfiber?
It's a beautiful color.
Okay, so first thoughts after seeing both bags?
The bag was too heavy.
The big one?
The big one
Yeah.
was too heavy.
And I mean, that was empty, right? And imagine once you pack it full.
The other was too small.
Too small.
for
You want a
traveling.
size in between.
Yes.
This is a Metiers piece. We have seen it before, but not. Like, I couldn't get these close-ups. It's incredible. It's all sequins, but it really looks like an artwork, doesn't it? And a little bit of a Chanel sneak peek, guys. Another Metiers outfit. What do we think about the feather skirt?
It's very nice.
Full of little feathers and pearls. Yeah, and I really like the top as well, right? With the big buttons. It's quite elegant. What is this? Look at this tiny little boy look-alike clutch. It's definitely probably a small leather good, I assume. Some little Valentino bags embroidered with like pearls and crystals. Yeah, they are stunning. More of them. Look at these colors. Yeah, it's interesting. This Valentino bag as well, that just caught my eye. Little dragon. I like fugly bags. I think this is awesome. Yeah, do any of you guys have a Valentino bag? How's the quality? How's wear and tear? Let us know. This is tempting, guys. However, what do we think about these bucket slash pouch bags? I think they're quite cool. This is something for you. Chocolate. I mean, look at this. I'm in heaven too. We all know. Oh, I love chocolate. And of course, a little something. Because me and my dad, we both have a sweet tooth, right? We're at Silverstone today. Papa? Paps? Was machen wir heute? Formel 1. Formula 1, guys. You can already hear the cars. It's really loud. So today we are at the Formula 1 race because my dad is the biggest fan and he has never been to an actual race, right? In your entire life.
Right.
This is the first time. Are we excited?
Yes, it's correct.
Which is your favorite driver and team?
My favorite team is Red Bull,
And driver?
but my favorite driver is Russell.
Okay, okay. And guys, it's rather like a fair, and my husband with his coffee, it's more like a fair, right? Yeah.
Go Team McLaren.
That's how the VIPs get to the track. Guys, Keanu Reeves is actually here. And guys, we have these ear defenders and they're really good. You can still understand people talking, right? But it really filters the noises of the cars. Love them. Fellow work colleagues. The cameraman up there. And we got a mega pint of a slushie right here. Guys, so that was it for today. Unfortunately, my mom didn't find anything, but at least you were able to try the bags on. Yes. I hope, you know, maybe the Neverfull would be a good alternative because it's like an in-between size, it's lighter. So maybe look at the black Neverfull. Papa, you survived? You survived the day? Hast du überlebt?
Yes.
Because he doesn't like shopping, obviously. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again soon. Bye. And guys, I clearly have an issue. A coffee issue.